for the big moment, right, Cass? The big moment is coming. Oh, and she's pressing flowers. And here we go. Cass! Whoop, whoop, whoop! Derek! Big moment, big moment. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look what's coming. Look what's coming. It's the real deal Dale. Ooh, look at that. Hi, Gail.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm excited.
I got something for you.
Yeah? Look at that. Wow. Oh my God. It looks brand new. How beautiful is that? Yes. That looks spectacular. Right on. Looks good, eh, Derek?
I made this macrame purse. If anyone's interested, my Instagram is
What is it?
macrame of love. Follow me. I'll be making a lot more and selling things. Okay.
That's good, Jill.
Look at this. Woo! Super pumped. Wowzers. Hi, Jeff. Doing great. How are you? Yeah, it's this deep project.
Make him sit
You guys all
and
right?
then say wait.
Did you want out or? Okay. Okay.
Just asked.
Woo! Hey, oh, hey, hey. And there's a fight at the gate. I got my money on Fender. Fender's winning. Oh yeah, he's on. He's done. Fender wins.
Why are you the baddest boy?
Fender wins. All right, everyone. So this is Dale in the daylight. That's what he looks
Dale
like.
in the daylight.
Yeah, the real deal Dale in
Wow,
the daylight.
look
Daylight.
at this.
Doesn't that look wicked? It's brand new.
Wow.
Spectacular action. Oh, yeah. This is awesome. Absolutely awesome.
Are you gonna cry? Hey, what are you eating? I'm filming horizontal like this, right?
Yes. Doesn't even look like the same truck. Wowzers. What I'll be doing tomorrow. Boy, that looks good, hey?
I really don't think there's any holes here
No, just this piece here, Derek.
no holes to fill with.
Oh, is there?
No.
Just this piece. And it's not bad, really. Maybe a little bit on this inside corner here. Wow, this looks good. Wow, Dale, this looks fantastic, man. What's up, Derek?
I just didn't want this thing to go.
Yeah.
Well, look,
Like down Deerfoot Trail or something, eh? You imagine?
Stony Trail.
Yeah, Stony. Wow, it's like brand new.
Well, if you're building a custom job, that's what you want.
Yeah, you know what? This is like I'm gonna have this painted by tomorrow, noon, 1 o'clock, and there's no rain. We got through this with not a drip of rain.
Rusty Nut Garage.
Rusty Nut Garage. Rusty Nut Garage. Got it.
Dale, Jeff.
RNG. Dale, Jeff.
Dale, Jeff, Robbie, and
Dale,
Riley.
Jeff, Robbie, and Riley. Dale, Jeff, Robbie, and Riley. There's an acronym
And they're the
there
guys
somewhere.
that put this all together for us.
Yeah, wicked. Yeah, I'm super pumped. This is gonna be wicked.
They were good. They let me use their big compressor over at their place.
Yeah, yeah, nice.
And see that down there?
Yeah. Yeah. That's the serial number.
boats all over the place.
Yeah, I think that we saw one on the front too.
I think there's about 7.
Cool.
Yeah, they're all over the place. Part numbers on the rear ends and everything. You can get all your part numbers just by walking down the parade and having a look.
Well, cool. Oh, this is gonna look stunning by the end of tomorrow too. Like an extra stunning, right? All black. Wow. She's looking good.
Did you expect this?
I didn't know what to expect because I've never done it before, so this looks brand new though, right?
Well,
Brand new. It's amazing.
this is probably new.
Oh, really? Wow, it's easy. Yeah, we got ramps. You're lined up 8 there.
Yeah.
I'm lined up too. Try not to hit that Toyota back there.
But it wasn't filming.
That wasn't filming?
No. I swear I pressed it.
What are we gonna do, Derek? Turn this way?
Well, this Derek's gonna wait till we can bring it back this way.
Okay. Go this way? Yeah. Alright.
Here, let's get the ramps in.